What's doing?
Fixing a keyboard that Cleo spewed on.
Oh, but we didn't know, hey baby. We didn't know you was gonna be sick.
I can't do any YouTube channeling until I fix the bloody thing.
Hey, we didn't
Keyboard
know
on the
you was
laptop's
gonna be
broken.
sick. Oh, it's okay, darling.
And then Thomas won't put any of the tools away when he's finished with them.
Don't lose them, because I know what you like.
I don't lose them. I'm not like that.
Huh. Put them in here so you don't lose them.
I'm going to clean our room up today. Keep an eye out for my wedding ring. It's come off during the night again.
Oh, great.
I noticed it when I was at the shop.
That's the second time now. The other time is when we went on the scooter and it came off.
Yeah, well,
Searched all afternoon for it.
I'm not on the scooter this time, thank God. I know where it is, but I just got to find it. It's in the room somewhere. Oh. How many screws did I put in this goddamn thing? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 screws for one little friggin' keyboard. It's ridiculous. I don't know. Bloody dogs.
Oh, it's okay, baby.
As soon as I get this open, I'll be alright. Have a look, see what's bugging in it. Nothing. Tell me it's one of those safety ones. They do it so kids can't get into. Oh. It's only battery powered, so I doubt it if it'd be. Come on. Something's holding it in there. Yep. Oh, come on. Yay. And I wasn't going to put the magnet on it. Need to get that off. Oh, come on. Oh, wow, look at that. It's amazing what happens when you take... Oh my God. Oh, it's one of those, is it? Rightio. That's come off there. That's why it's not working. And I just ripped all the fucking keys off it. Bugger. Right, so we've got to put... Oh my lord. Oh my lordy me. Why does this happen? Lucky I love you, dog.
She's looking outside at the moment, wondering what's going on. What's going on, baby? What's outside? Is it those ducks? Is it those bloody ducks again? Me?
Ducks keep biting you on the bum.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, stop sucking up to her.
You're gonna be a sad and miserable doggy today, aren't you? See? Worried look on today.
Gee, I wonder why. I'd be worried too if I broke a keyboard, especially when it's the important one. Because I tell you what, from the keyboards that I used to play with when I was growing up, these are very technical. Very technical.
Times have changed.
Oh yeah, tell me about it. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know whether to put them on the actual board here or... Oh boy, oh boy. So... Okay, I'll be back in a minute when I get all this done. Okay.
So we're back.
I'm just gotta figure out how to get this back on. That's nice and clean now. That. There we go. And it's not going to work because I haven't got the batteries in it, so I can't test. What we'll do, put this back on, and then we'll put the batteries in it. So we can get it going. This stuff is so fiddly.
They have to be.
See, I don't take my stuff to a computer shop or a technician, I fix it myself. Electrocuting myself half the time, but at least I'll get it done. Batteries.
Don't have to buy a new one then.
Huh?
Don't have to buy a new one.
That's it, eh? You don't have to muck around buying a new one.
Fingers crossed it works.
Fingers, toes, everything's crossed. Where'd that screwdriver go?
You're the one fixing it.
Bloody hell. There it is. Ugh. Right. And then later on I'm going to set up my man cave. Get that all done. No, I won't do that. I will put some screws in it first. If I can get this going properly. Knowing my luck, it's not going to work, but at least I had a go at it anyway.
You can only try.
I mean, I don't get it. This stuffed up on a little bit of dog sick, and I spilled a whole cup of coffee on my laptop, and it still works. It's incredible, isn't it? You got to wonder what they make them out of. Considering I paid basically, yeah. If anyone can explain that, let me know. Because I'm at loss. One in this end, and then we'll give it a test run. I've got a really bad feeling that this is not going to work. One more in there. That works. Hopefully we'll have a light. No, still flashing. Oh. I pressed the back key and it's shutting down the computer. What a moron. Well, oh look, it's working. Are you kidding me? Something that... Can you go and push the power button? Love you.
All the things I'll do for you.
That's not looking very promising. Ah, there we go. Whoever invented Windows 10 needs a brain bashing. It's hopeless. Oh, come on already. Oh, this is going to take forever. I can't believe the back button just shut the computer down. That's incredible.
Oh, we'll soon know.
No. I hit the back button again and it shut it down. Jeez Louise.
You're,
Alright, well I don't think that's working.
you're unbelievable. You know that?
Well, if anybody knows the trick to that, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to leave it there. Because that's frustrating the hell out of me. Yeah. Alright. I'll see you next time.
Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and favourite.